Hey everybody, Ace here. I'm going to jump right into it. How can you make $100 per day in 2021? Passive income style. Let's get into it. The first way is own rental properties. Whether you're owning your own property and house hacking or you have a specific rental properties are one of the best ways to make passive income. So let's say you live in a 2-bed, 2-bath house. You're living in one bedroom, using the other bathroom. You rent out the other bedroom and bathroom for $600 a month. Now, you're probably thinking, Ace, that math doesn't add up. I'm not making $100 per day. Not yet, you're not. You're making $20 per day. But that $20 extra per day can be used on your mortgage or any other expenses you might have, which ends up saving you a lot of money. Or you can invest it and make even more money on top of that. Or another option is you own a duplex. You live in one side of the duplex and rent out the other side for $800 or $1,000 a month. Rental properties can make you some amazing passive income. Think about it. That person is paying your mortgage, and then anything extra that you're cash flowing can be used as passive income or invested to make you even more money. The next way to make passive income in 2021 is going to be YouTube or even TikTok. Now, with YouTube or TikTok, you're going to have to meet some minimums before you can start making that passive income. For YouTube, you're going to need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 watch hours. And for TikTok, you're going to need 10,000 followers and at least 10,000 views. But once you hit those minimums, you can start rolling in that passive income for every video that you post. Talking about TikTok, you get paid anywhere from 3 cents to 5 cents per 1,000 views. Now, that might not seem like a lot, but it actually adds up over time. For instance, my wife currently has 45,000 followers, and in her first 8 days of TikTok, she made $150. She was making roughly 20 bucks a day. And if she stays at that rate, she'll make over $5,000 in passive income just for posting videos on TikTok. Now, talking about YouTube. YouTube is gonna pay more than TikTok, but it's gonna be a lot harder to grow on YouTube than TikTok. YouTube pays on average $18 per 1,000 views, which is a far cry more than the 3 to 5 cents per 1,000 views on TikTok. Although it's a lot easier to gain views on TikTok than YouTube, YouTube definitely pays more money for it. And once you get your channel established and you get those views rolling in, you're gonna be making a lot of passive income. But don't forget, to establish your personal channel, whether that be for YouTube or TikTok, it's gonna take time, effort, and dedication. I've been doing a YouTube channel now for over 4 months, and I'm still not even at 100 subscribers. So it's definitely gonna take a lot of time and effort to put into it before you see the payout later. But once you do get monetized, it's just gonna keep rolling. From then on out, it's gonna just keep on rolling in. And I'll note, growing on TikTok is a lot easier than growing on YouTube. I have 10 times the amount of followers on TikTok than I do on YouTube. And I've been doing TikTok for about 2 months less than YouTube, and I'm still not monetized on either platform. But that's perfectly fine, because as long as you love what you're doing and it's a hobby, it doesn't matter. Third way to make passive income in 2021 is using affiliate marketing. Now, you might be thinking, what the hell is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which the business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought in by that affiliate owner. Now, what does that mean? That means if you have a big following or base and you recommend that big following and base to said product, you're gonna get paid for it. The easiest example of this is through Amazon affiliates, where a lot of big YouTubers or TikTokers are gonna link their affiliate with Amazon, whether that be, hey, my camera setup, or this is my computer setup that I use. When you click on those links and you make a purchase, that big YouTuber or TikToker is gonna get paid a certain percentage from Amazon for you driving that business to them. To do affiliate marketing, you typically have to have a big following yourself, or else you're not gonna get paid for it. Why would a company ever want to pay you money to drive traffic to them when you don't even have a follower base yourself? Your follower base could be on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, one of the social media platforms, but you're gonna have to have a base that you can push products to get paid for that affiliate marketing. So if you're going down the route of YouTube or TikTok and you get a large or semi-large following base, definitely make sure you loop in that affiliate marketing so you can get that additional passive income. Next way you can make passive income in 2021 is through a high yield savings account or CDs. There are a multitude of banks out there that have high yield savings or high yield CDs even. You just have to do your research. Go to Google, type it in, see what comes up. I was personally using Ally Bank until they lowered their high yield savings rate so much that it didn't even pay for me to have it in them anymore. But one good high yield savings account would be Yada Bank, which on average earns you about 3%. And there's a lot of other high yield savings accounts out there. But as I said, just Google it and see what pops up for you. Second is that high yield CD. And what that means is you're gonna put a certain amount of money locked away for a certain time frame and gain interest on it. And a CD is just a certificate of deposit, saying you are depositing a certain amount into the bank and then they're gonna pay you interest for that certain amount that they can hold and use for that time frame. Then at the end of that time frame, you get the money back plus the interest. So with a high yield CD, you're gonna have to have a minimum, whether that be $500 or $2,000 for a certain time frame, whether that be 3 months, 6 months, or a year, and you're gonna earn a certain percentage on that money that's locked up. Doing a high yield savings account or CD is not going to give you the gains or the passive income that you're really looking for, but it's a safe and easy way to make passive income and have your money just sitting on the sidelines for when you might need it. And the last way to make passive income in 2021 is through dividends. Dividends are a great way to make passive income. What a dividend is the company is going to pay you a certain percentage of their profits at every quarter or month, depending on their dividend payout. So for instance, you own 1 share of AT&T. AT&T is going to pay you 52 cents per quarter or $2.08 per year to own that 1 share. So the more shares you own in that company, the more dividends you're going to make. If you have 100 shares of AT&T, you're making $208 per year just to own those 100 shares. There are a lot of people out there that have dividend portfolios and they're making passive income monthly or quarterly from those dividends. And just to let you know, 3 of my favorite dividend companies are, and this is not financial advice, is Coca-Cola, AT&T, and VYM, which is the Vanguard High Yield Dividend Fund. But do your own research before buying the company and investing into them. And then when you do, watch those dividends and passive income roll on in. But there you go, a quick hitter on some easy ways that you can make $100 per day in passive income in 2021. If you liked this video or learned anything, please just tap that thumbs up button for me. That greatly helped me out, and subscribe for more content. Please subscribe below and leave me a comment on what you're gonna do to make $100 per day passive income, or if you have any other passive income ideas that I might not have covered. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.